Security forces have intensified their operations in different and vulnerable areas of the hill and valley districts, leading to major recoveries of arms and explosives. These operations are part of an ongoing effort to ensure peace and stability in the region. In a recent operation in the hill ranges of Sanasabi, Natumching, Imphal East District, security forces recovered a substantial cache of weapons and explosives. The item included one bolt-action .303 rifle, 4 country-made bolt-action .303 rifles, 2 12-bore guns, 3 long-range improvised heavy mortar Pompey, 1 9mm pistol with a magazine, 6 improvised explosive bombs, 2 hand grenades without detonators, 82 live rounds and 3 radio sets. Similarly, another operation was conducted in Kaino Maning near High Canal, Bishnupur district, resulting in the recovery of 1 SMG carbine, 1 9mm pistol with a magazine, 1 Pompey shell, 7 LLU cells, 1 INSAS magazine with 6 live rounds, 1 SLR magazine, 4 Baofeng WT sets with 1 charger, 9 HE-36 grenades, 2 grenade safety rings, 2 smoke bombs, 1 tear gas grenade, 2 anti-riots dual cells, 3 detonators, 42 ammunition rounds, 1 tear smoke shell and 1 rubber bullet. As a part of the heightened security measures, such operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the hill and valley districts. This included ensuring the movement of 104 and 425 vehicles along National Highway number 37 and National Highway number 2 respectively, carrying essential items. In addition to these operations, a total of 127 checkpoints were installed across different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley. Police detained 71 persons in connection with various violations in different districts of the state.